What was that?
Why is this?
What was that? Looks like it came from outer space. No. That looks like it came from outer space.
Or is that a meteorite?
What is happening?
What is going on here? This is stuff that's entered the Earth's atmosphere, I think.
Do we live by any NASA like projects or something? What is that?
You guys see this?
What is that? That's not no firework.
Oh my god, I've never seen this before.
That's not the firework. What's that? Why's the red? It's like a fire as well.
Where'd the other one go? Oh, there it is.
Still is right there.
That's crazy.
What the frick is happening? What is that?
I think
What is that? Mayday! Mayday!
Dad.
I'm not dad.
Dad, maybe it's fire. Maybe fire going on.
It looks like it was entering the Earth's atmosphere.
What the? Why do you have? Yeah, why?
Icon of the Seas,
Enter the
January 2025.